like,
Yeah, I'm trying to put one of Maddie's old contact lenses in. See what it feels like. It's the left one. Okay, yeah.
just, okay, pull your eye down like this, look up, and just put it in. And rub it around. Like, put it in and rub it around a little bit, and then move your eyebrows
around.
Did you get it?
No.
Wow.
I don't want to do this. I don't feel to take it down. That'll blind me. Why is my eye yellow?
Don't blink. Stop blinking.
I'm not doing this. This is going to fail. I'm sorry.
Let's do it, Hannah.
Sorry, contact lensing. Let's do it.